What's cracking, kids? LA Nick back in Minnesota at Sport Wheels, where we got all the stuff. There's some really cool stuff came in too. Some of it's coming home with me today. So I think you guys have seen most of the stuff. There's an old Motor Guzzi. Ticks over. It's all there. Be a nice restoration project. Make you a good deal on it. There's some cool stuff that came in recently. Sachs motor. But look at this, is a Royal Enfield Flea. Pretty cool little bike, man. I mean, that'd be a nice bike to do. If you look these up, look up Royal Enfield Flea and see how beautiful they were restored. Got a lot of Cushmans. Just about every model Cushman you can want, and they're all pretty nice. So if you're into Cushmans, let me know, because got them all. A lot of bikes in right now, man. A lot of cool stuff too. Kawasaki Vulcan. Let's see what we got back in the corner. It's been here too long. It needs to go bye-bye. Nice little Honda. It's a nice little bike. Little CB. It's pretty clean. There's a skeleton of a CBX. This RD's been here a long time. Someone dumped a ton of money into it. It's got some dust on it, but it's clean. It's got hidden cap, push pop cap, chambers on it. It's been here a long time, so if you want to make an offer. It's clean though. It's a clean motor. It's got some dust on it, but it could be a someone's nice bike. These two rotaries have been here a while too. You're in the Suzuki rotaries, RE5s. Got a lot of cruisers, a lot of Japanese Harleys. Nice little CBR, but someone bought it, a little 250. Got some, what else came in? I'll show you some really, actually there's a bunch of Hondas that came in too. Aprilia. Nice Kawasaki. KZ900. 1973. The only thing I see wrong is it's got the wrong pipes. But I'm no expert. Nice little Honda 750. Another one, another one, another one. Bunch of custom Hondas, cafe racers. Ducati 250. Another Ducati 250. I'm gonna clean my lens real quick. Hold on. That's a little better. Big old Honda 750 chopper. We got a lot of British bikes, man. VSA Central. All BSAs. A lot of BSAs. The Norton. There's a Norton. BSA, BSA, BSA. Triumph. Triumph. BSA, 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 BSA. I mean, literally, there's like 12 BSAs right here right now. The 13, there's more than 12. I think they're letting me 15. A lot of BSAs. A lot of older scooters and mopeds too. There's 3 floors here of bikes. There's Honda 750 Hill Climber. You know, John Williams, Canada, he won world champion on a Honda 750 Hill Climber. He was the first multi-cylinder hill climber. Everyone else was running Harley and Triumph motors. He came out with that Honda 750 and crushed everyone for years. Then went to the Benelli 750, nitro burning. I'll show you some gems that are for me that came in. One I'm definitely taking home is this Le Mans. Got 3,000 miles on it. Needs some cleaning, some fine detailing, but it's nice. It needs to be buffed out, but it's pretty nice. This is typical Di Tommaso era. You know, this is when Moto Guzzi and Benelli were the same company. So it's very typical of that era. If you look at my 250 4-cylinder Benelli, you can tell the same designer, Di Tommaso, designed both of them. With the seat going up on the tank. And this little Benelli 250 2C came in. Problem is, it turns over, it's got a free motor and all, but the Kickstarter shaft snap is twisted off. It's crying shame, but it is what it is. It's twisted off. Otherwise, it'd be a keeper for me, but I don't feel like building a motor right now. Got double-sided front drum. It's really clean. I mean, all the little stuff's really nice shape, like this stuff. They're nice. Yeah, it's a crying. Gauges are really clean too. Heck, doesn't have any miles on it. 4,000 miles. If anyone wants to build a Benelli 252C, man, this would be the perfect candidate. Because it's clean. It's got the Barani rims on it. And perfect bike to build. I don't see anything missing. Be a good bike to build. Let's see what else we got here. Norton 850 Commando just came in. It's pretty nice too. It's pretty clean. See what else is in the front yard, because you know, people drop bikes off all day, like this guy just dropping bikes off. They kind of never stop dropping them off. People just drop stuff off. I don't see anything out here that floats my boat. The Moto Guzzi's definitely a keeper for me. You don't see that Di Tommaso era Moto Guzzi stuff around. Hello, kitty cat. Hello, kitty cat. FJ 1100, mulched a little bit. Alright, let's go back in the courtyard. See what we got going. There's Denny. Say hi, Denny.
Hi.
Denny's owned this place for 56 years, or somewhere in that ballpark. Long time. And the bikes never stop flowing, man. Look at this bike. This bike had to cut the tree because this tree has grown through the bike. It's like literally through the swing arm in the frame. That's how long that thing sat. Crazy. Stuff you see here is crazy. Look at these. These just came in. Harley Davidsons, 250s. The blue one's really nice. I mean, that's pretty clean. Airbox is missing on both of them, but it's pretty much complete. Besides, the side cover's missing. That's a shame. Another Ducati, another Harley. 250. This Benelli came in, no motor. Crying shame too. It's a rare bike too. 175 Enduro, but no motor. Those 175 motors are hard to come by, man. You just don't see them around. Shame because everything else is there. We got one of those Ducati parallel twin 500s came in, and with no tank and seat, but I have the tank and seat, so I'm going to give it to this bike so it's complete. I'll show you later. I'll pull the tank and seat out of my van and put them on there. For some reason no one wants these in the United States. I heard they're big in Australia. Ducati people don't like them. They call them English Ducatis, but they're not. They're made in Italy. But yeah, parallel twin. They're trying to keep up with the British at the time. Little Kawasaki triple. 350. It's pretty clean too. If you see anything that interests you, you can just go on sportwheel.com, leave a message, or you can reach out to me. What do we got here? A lot of skeletons, but there's some good stuff out here sometimes. A lot of RDs. Let's see what we got. Seika. There's an RD350, RD400, RD350, 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 RD350. A lot of RDs. Looking for RDs. You guys know me, I only grab the Italian stuff. You know, I love two-strokes. I'm a big fan of two-strokes. I think I got my hands full with two-strokes right now. I got too many bikes to take care of them. Man, there's a lot of stuff here. It's just mind-boggling how much stuff's here. There's a little Benelli, 250, Riverside. Missing the front end and wheels, and well, there's the wheel right there. That's the front wheel of this bike. Ah, it's mulched. Mulched. The problem we got right now is the weeds. The weeds have taken over. They've turned into trees. So it's tough to see anything in the yard. This whole field's bikes. But it's tough to see them because of the weeds. It's a lot of weeds, man. Shame, there's a lot of cool stuff in this field, but I'm not walking through the weeds. It's all stuff that sticks to you. There's a Can-Am 175 tank. This is all Benelli stuff in here. There's that volcano I keep saying I should save. It's rough though, man. It's rough. It does have the little luggage rack though. Here's you missing. I mean, you could restore it, but it's rough. The motor's locked up tight. The thing's been sitting here for 30-some years, they said. Oh, the weeds are just brutal. I'm not going in there. But yeah, that's all Benelli stuff in there. But too many weeds. Can't do it. Too many weeds and too many bees. Hey, you can't see anything. The weeds have taken over. Walk through the lean tubes. About all you can do. See if you can find anything good in here. So many gas tanks, it's like insane. There's gotta be 10,000 gas tanks on this property. Like literally. There's trucks and buildings full of gas tanks. There's more motorcycle parts in one location than anywhere else in the world. I can probably bet on that one. Because there's a lot of parts here, man. And this is only one little spot. This place is 9 acres. And a lot of buildings full. There's some buildings you guys have never seen. I haven't done any video on some of the buildings. They're just packed. You open the door and it's just full. Yeah, the stuff outside gets crusty, but there's still good parts out here, man. Fenders and stuff, they don't go bad. Wheels don't go bad. All the mag wheels like that, that ain't bad. So everything in here too, every kind of bike imaginable. But I'll have to do a better video and in the spring. I mean, in the fall when these weeds die. Just can't see anything with the weeds, man. Been taken over by weeds. They're bad this year. I think they used to spray, and they don't spray anymore. Yeah, you can't really do anything out here with these weeds. It's useless. We'll go on the other side and see if the big building's open. But yeah, if you see anything you're interested in, just hit me up or message sportwheel.com. It's not Sport Wheels, it's Sport Wheel. It used to be Wheels, but somebody sneaky stole the URL, held it for hostage. I had to drop the S. That's all four-wheeler and ATV stuff. If you're in the four-wheelers, there's quite a bit of it here. It's funny, not that many four-wheelers get dropped off. Just bikes. I mean, people drop bikes off every day that they no longer want. You never know what they're going to be, man. It could be anything. But yeah, the people just drop them off. This is the Harley trailer. This is what we have for Harley parts. Just one truck full. Just parts everywhere, man. It's craziness. I mean, look. This is just a truck full. It's packed. This is all sport bike, man. All late model sport bike. Fairings. Plastics. And it's full, man. Tank covers. If you got a sport bike and you're looking for something, you probably got it. Because there's multiple of these trucks packed with parts. So I mean, all these trucks are full. Suzuki never ends. Just keeps going, man. Keeps going. I was hoping this gate was open because I was going to take you into this back building, but unfortunately, it is not open. But yeah, that building's full. I don't know if I can squeeze through here or not. Let me see if I can. Oh, I'm getting stuck. Alright, I made it. I made it. Okay. Old Yamaha 750 electric start. Overhead cam, might be the first year for overhead cam. Suzuki 500T. So Yamaha, it's only a 125. I have that bike in a 400. Look at that, 600R. There's a beast. He's a beast. Okay. This is CJ's eBay room. So everything on here is on eBay. So That's a lot of stuff, man. I don't know how CJ does it. It's just a lot. A lot of stuff. Just, it's a big building and it's full. This is that load we got up in Alexandria, all the British BSAs and all those BSAs I showed you earlier. These are all extra motors, Motor Guzzi, and some little bit of Ducati stuff, but there's tons of it. All this stuff, this whole area came from up there. All British. So if you're looking for British parts, got gearboxes. Yeah, actually quite a bit of gearboxes. I think there was like 10 gearboxes. So if you're looking for anything British, BSA, Norton, Triumph, early stuff. Not early, but you know, 60s, 70s. Hit me up. That's early to me because I'm not that old. I know a lot of people think early's 20s and 30s, but there's not much to that stuff here. It gets sucked up quick. But yeah, this building's just full. CJ is this eBay person, or you can message sportwheel.com and tell CJ what you're looking for. And she will tell you if we have it or not. Ducati plastics. A lot of stuff here, man. A lot of new old stock stuff. Stuff's in the packages that never got... Look, all these bins are new old stock. New old stock. Look at that. That's a nice Kawasaki tank, man. Where are you going to find that? In that kind of shape. Seats. Even a chopper front end. Endless. Motor Guzzi tank. A lot of stuff. They look like these. I don't know what they are. I thought they were H1 pipes, but there's only two. RD. That's what they are. RD. Set of RD 400 pipes. Trying to see anything I've never seen. A lot of stuff here, man. That little girder front end. I don't know what that came off of. Something old. Something pre-war. That's early stuff there. Anyway, walk my way, make my way back. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this building, and this is just one of multiple buildings. The other side's full too. They said more motorcycle parts here than any place, guaranteed any place in the United States. I mean, all these containers are full, these trucks, that trailer's full. Need a fairing? Because it's here. It's just a small place of fairings. There's another building back there, it's full of fairings. Keep out. That's gonna, anyone's gonna listen to that. Let's take a peek in these containers, guys. See what we got. Hey, there's some W126 Mercedes wheels. Okay. This looks like motors. It smells like motors too. A nice little frame. Not sure what it is, but it's cool. GT250 Suzuki motor. This must be all good motors because they're in a drive storage. Dark in here though. I only got the light on my phone, guys, so what's that? Beta. There's a CZ motor. The one that had the carburetor inside the casing. That's the air intake. They're pretty cool. Pretty cool design. I always thought they were neat looking. I don't see any Benelli 6-cylinder motors. That's all I care about. Trying to see if there's anything spectacular that I can't live without. If you see anything, let me know. I don't see anything from me personally, but a lot of dirt bike motors, a lot of Yamaha dirt bike motors. A whole pile of them everywhere. There's like a 400 motor. Another one back there. Into 400. Little Honda 550. Alright, let's see what's in the other one. Another frame. Oh, it's hot in here. Sun must hit this side. The other Coros shower, it's cold in. This one's hot as hell. Lots of rims. Harley Davidson tank. It's just endless, man, endless. New old stock taillights. Tons of them. Blinker covers. Brand new. Well, it's warm in here, man. Very warm. You know what these are? A bag, some kind of bag, luggage things. BMW bag brackets. A lot of them too. It's just an endless search here, man. I mean, just looking through boxes, it's just endless. I mean, you don't know what's in. This is all new old stock. New old stock Honda parts. I mean, you just gotta dig and look and see what's what. Because I don't think anyone knows until you find it. You gotta know what you're looking for, because you don't know like what this fits and you don't know what it fits. That's the problem. Because there's parts everywhere that someone's looking for this part, but you don't know what it is. How do you advertise how to sell it? Just so much. Look, this is a whole box of taillight lenses, blinker covers. Move this Harley tank. Brand new. All brand new. Papers rotting away. They've been sitting so long. What we got there? Transistor ignition system, Ultra 7000M. Like, you know, would this come off with? Someone's looking for one of these. It's brand new. New old stock. Someone's looking for these. To say what they fit. Nope. Doesn't say what they fit. Joe would know. Guy who works in the shop here. He's pretty smart. He knows every part, what it fits. But yeah, it's crazy how much stuff's here. Just endless amount. No one even ever comes in these trailers. People don't even know they exist. Probably sit there the rest of my life going in them. Got a lot of Gull Wings. Anyone looking for Gull Wing and big cruiser bikes, there's a ton of them here for parts. Putting the new road in, a lot of noise and dust. Yamaha on the front of his rig. Well, kiddos, I think I'm going to try to talk to Denny and work out some numbers on that Motor Guzzi and go enjoy my day. So I'll be in Italy. Well, next week I'll be in Barcelona, Spain. So if you're in Barcelona, hit me up. And then I'll be there for the whole week. And then the next week, I'll be at Imola Speedway for the swap meet, the motorcycle swap meet in Italy. And then I'll be in Pesaro for Benelli Week. So if you're anywhere in those areas, hit me up, send me a message, connect with me over there. All right, guys, see you later.